Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I am always looking for extra storage in our house, and behind our doors is a place that is kind of wasted space. This over the door organizer is phenomenal. Look how much this holds. It is a shoe organizer on steroids. There's all these mesh pockets on the side so you can add extra shoes or belts. The pockets are so deep. As you can see, my son, he wears a size 5 in children's, and they fit all the way in. Even the blankets can be stored here. Literally, you can store so much on this. I haven't had any problems with the hooks that go over the door catching on the trim above. They fit very smoothly. So one thing to keep in mind is this is much deeper than a regular shoe holder on the back of the door. So make sure it's either on the part of the door that does not back up and hit a wall, or make sure there's a nice little gap between the door and the wall when you open it. As you see, this is an 8.5 by 11 folder, and you can see that is about how deep it is. But with that being said, you can store everything in this. So if you have everything that needs stored, this is for you. And that's my point of view.